So today we are going to learn HCF, that is highest common factor. Let us start with question number 1. Write all the factors of the given numbers and list their common factors. How to do this? The first number is 12, 16. First, we should find the multiples of 12 and 16. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. For 16 it is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So now we have to find the common factors. Common means the same. That is 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. So for 12 and 16 the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Let's do question number 2. Before that we have an example for HCF, that is 10, 15 and 12. Here we can see that no number is common. 2 appears in 10 but not in 15. 5 appears in 10 and 15 but not in 12. 3 appears in 15 and 12 but not in 10. So that means no number is common. So only 1 is going to be the common divisor here, as 1 is universal in all the tables. Hence HCF here is going to be 1. Now let us find the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. To find the HCF here, we should take a common multiple in all these three numbers. We should start with the smaller number, that is 12. So we can take 6. I think 6 will appear in all these three numbers. After that we should take the multiples, that is 6 into 10 will give you 60, 6 into 2 will give you 12 and 6 into 6 will give you 36. Now we have to expand these numbers until we get the prime numbers. So 6 will give us 3 into 2 and 10 will give us 2 into 5. Again 6 will give us 3 into 2 into 2. 2 remains as it is. 6 will give us 3 into 2 into 3 into 2 again. Now we have to find the numbers which are common, that is 3. 3 appears in all. 3 सब में आ रहा है तो हम 3 को लेंगे. 2 also is coming in all, so we take the 2 also. 2 again. 2 is appearing again, so we take 2. But 5 is not appearing in all the numbers and 3 is also not appearing in all the numbers. So we will take only 3 into 2 into 2. That will give you 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So the HCF for 60, 12 and 36 will be 12. Let's do question number 3b. The question says 25 and 75. Let us find the common multiple. for 25 and 75. Obviously it's going to be 5. Now we do the multiplication, that is 5 5s are 25 and 5 15s are 16, 14, 15. 15s are 75. Okay. Now this remains as it is because 5 into 5 is prime number. 5 and 5 both are prime numbers, and 15 gets expanded into 5 into 3. Now we have to check if the first 5 appears in both. Yes. Second 5 also appears in both. So yes, we are going to take one more 5. But 3 is not appearing in 25. So we are going to cancel 3 and take only 5 into 5. Which will give you 25. So the HCF for 25, 75 is going to be 25. Let's move on to the word problem. There are 20 kg of jawar and 50 kg of wheat in a shop. All grain is to be packed in bags. If all the bags are to have equal weights of grains, what is the maximum weight of grain that can be filled in each bag? Okay, whenever you get a question like this in exam, how you will come to know that you have to do HCF? That is, if you see the word equal in the question along with maximum, then it means you have to solve the question using HCF. Let us do question number 4, which says 20 kg of jawar and 50 kg of wheat. We have 20 and 50. Let's find the HCF. The common multiple in both is going to be 10. Let's multiply now. 10 2s will give you 20. 10 5s will give you 50. We can expand 10, that is 5 into 2 into 2. As 2 is a prime number, it will remain there itself. Again 5, you can write 2 into 5 into 5. We get 5 in both, so we will take 1 5. 2 in both, so we take 1 2. But this 2 is not appearing in 50 and this 5 is not appearing in 20. So we cancel this 2 and this 5 and take only 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 will give us 10. So the HCF here will be for 20 and 50 as 10. That's it. Let's do question number 6. If large square beds of equal size are to be made for planting vegetables on a plot of land 18 meters long and 15 meters wide, what is the maximum possible length of each bed? This question can confuse you in the exams because it says it is related to meters long and meters wide, but you don't have to get confused. Like I said, there is the word equal appearing here, like you can see. Equal along with maximum. If the word equal or same appear in the question, it means you have to do HCF. So again we have 18 and 15. What we have to do is find the factors. For 18, the multiple which is common will be 3. 3 into 6 will give you 18 and 3 into 5 will give you 15. So we expand, 3 will remain prime number, so it will remain the same, and 6 will become 3 into 2. 3 remains the same again, and 5 remains the same again because 5 is a prime number too. Here 3 appears in both, so we take 3. One more 3 doesn't appears here, so we'll cut this 3. 2 doesn't appears here, so we cut this 2. 5 also doesn't appears here, so we cut this 5. So we are left with only 3. So the answer is, the HCF for this will be 3. That's it. So you can write the answer as 3 is the maximum possible length of each bed. You just have to change the last question given and write your answer. Instead of what, why, whatever the question is, you have to write your answer. Oh please, I'm so sorry, please add 3 meters is the maximum possible length of each bed, and that's the final answer. Other questions can be done on your own, I think. Thank you so much.